Hi, Mina. I'm gonna film a morning routine. Hi. Do you like getting pet? You're sleeping. Me too. Do you want a blankie? There we go. Lucy, come here. Lucy, come. Come on. Okay. She's squirming around again. Mina, I thought you wanted to go to sleep. Thought you wanted to take a nap. You're so cute. Now I'm not. Okay, you want to go like that? Okay. Oh, there's Lucy. Hi. It's kind of hard to film Lucy since it's the morning and since black colors suck up a bunch of the light because all the colors make in light black. It's hard to film Lucy since she's sucking up all the light with her fur. This is kind of a dark room where she is. How are you? You can hear my sister laughing in the background. Hi. Her eyes are open. It looks weird. Since her brown eyes are blending in, you can only see the white of her eyes. Hi, I can see your nose. This is your eye. The camera can't see it. Let's go see Mina's eyes because they're pretty. Hi, did you get jealous? Her eyes are like a mixture of brown and blue. And it has white in it. Let's see. See the white little sparkles. Actually, they're silver. The camera can't see it very well. She always has to itch her head. Oh. Finally, I caught that on camera. Looks like she's moving. And then she stopped to sniff something. Yum, yum, yum. Piece of trash. Just tastes good. I gotta stretch in the morning, too. Where's she heading? Oh, she gotta itch herself again. Where's she going? Mina, where are you going? Hi. Mina. Mina, come here. Come on. Hi. How are you? You're so itchy today. What's with you itching your head? itch your head. You gotta itch your head. You gotta itch your head. I saw her tongue. She's sticking her tongue out. You wanna be pets? Come here. Come here for pets. Oh, you love that, don't you? Oh, yeah. Oh! Dogs love being pet. Someone's coming. Who is it? It's the little laugher. Oh, Mina's so happy, obviously, to see her other owner. You want to see Lucy too, Ophelia?
He just sleeps everywhere.
Does she sleep in your bed?
No.
Then she doesn't quite sleep everywhere. Does she sleep in China?
No, she sleeps everywhere in the living room or in Daddy's office.
Yeah. Hi. Oh! The third time I caught that on camera. Looks like we gotta run away, Mina.
Come back, Waggy. Waggy.
Are you circling, Ophelia? She looked at me like, dude, seriously.
No.
You can let her sniff the door. She just needs to use the
and
toilet. Ah, crap it. I missed it.
Yeah.
Want to go say hi to Lucy?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to go say hi to Lucy. She's in the corner, sucking up all the light with her black fur. You can't even see her eyes on camera. Oh, you're stretching. Oh, Mina, don't annoy Lucy.
Sniffy.
Hi. Mina, what are you doing? Mina, don't do that on camera. What are you doing? Don't worry, guys. It's just how dogs know each other. But don't do that to other people, okay? Because that would be gross. Since Lucy's fur is black and black things suck up all the colors of the light, then that means she's sucking up all the light here, so that's why this part of the room is more dimmer than the other part of the room, and we can't really see much of her on camera. Unless there's white and light-colored things like this.
No, Mina. Why did I call Lucy Mina?
Hi. Why are you licking? But we can see her.
Lucy, goosey, poosey.
Oh!
Dog's tongues are really long.
She always does and make this as noise. Oh! Oh, yeah. You're a good girl.
Chest. Love your chest. Love your chest. Love your
Excuse
chest.
me?
Love your chest.
Did you mean to say I love you?
You don't like me loving your chest?
Oh!
You want me to hate your chest?
Mina!
I love your chest. I never get to.
Mina just whined. Oh, she's excited. Mina, you're not allowed to go under the chair. Let's see what Mina's so excited about.
Mama's here.
Oh, and Lucy.
You almost hurt me.
Here's another part of their morning routine. What? Mina, come on. Come on. Go down the stairs. I taught her how to go down the stairs. Hi. Why did you stop? Lucy? What are you doing? Hi.
Go ahead.
Okay. Let's take them out. Mina. You need to go out. We're going out. Yeah, how do we open the door?
The Christmas tree thingy.
The Christmas tree. The what Christmas tree thingy? That?
The Christmas tree holder.
Oh, yeah, I remember that.
Oh, you remember.
Okay, unlock this. And then unlock this. Oh, come on. Oh, sorry. It's okay.
All the girls in the house are going out.
Yeah.
Except for the cat.
Okay, we gave Lucy some privacy. Mina, you should use the bathroom while you have the chance and not go inside.
No, sir.
Good job.
Go potty.
There isn't even sun out. Mina, come on. Come on. Okay, she just has to sniff a little while and then she might go. A dog was here. Ooh, a dog was here. Ooh, another dog was here. A dog was here. Ooh, another dog was here. Lucy, what are you doing? Are you eating the plant? I didn't know you were a vegetarian. Mina just went potty, and we love to praise her because she barely ever goes when we bring her outside, and she loves to go when we're inside. Good potty.
That's because she always needs to go, and then she only rests in the sun.
That's where Lucy went potty. That is a rock. Do you need to go the other thing? Or just sniff around? Let's see what Lucy's doing. Are you eating the plants? Is it because you're hungry? Oh, there's a plant they like right there. This is my mint plant. And then the clovers, these two are edible. But this one is poison, the heart plant. It's not growing hearts anymore because it's August. And then the poisonberry Fifi ripped out of the ground. And then this thing with the pretty blue flowers. It looks like they're eating everything. Eating. And then the pasta plant. I can't remember how to pronounce it. Is it pasta plant? Oh yeah, hosta plant. And then this thing is edible too. Dandelions are edible, but they taste bad. And then there's this weed overgrowing here. And then this is this thing that grows berries only birds can eat. You can see the berry right here, but it's not ripe yet. And you can see it grows all the way to here. And there's like I don't know, it looks like a cactus. How you doing? Ooh. Lucy, go number 2. Are you sniffing the air? Okay, she's going. Let's give her some privacy. Okay, Mina, can you go number 2 too? Mina, are you gonna go in there? Can you go there? Come on. Good girl. Okay, are you gonna go number 2? Are you gonna go number 2?
So let's just be quiet.
From the camera, the wood chips look like corn stuff. Oh yeah, popcorn seeds.
But they're actually wood chips.
Okay, let's give Mina some privacy because she's going number 2 now. Good potty, Lucy. Good potty, Mina. Good potty. Oh, it's okay. Oh, you're wet. You're wet. Okay, Mina went potty. Good job. Now you can explore now. Hi, Lucy. What are you doing? Are you trying to find those plants you love? Here's a pot, and there are plants growing, as you can see here. And wait, those are like, oh, you can see a plant growing here. Oh wait, that's this stuff. Okay. The only plant growing is right here. Whoa! Oh my dog! That was the longest lightning boom. And it's still going. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. She's gonna do the stuff. Oh, ew. Ew. Don't look at it, camera. Uh-oh. He's gonna do more. I'm getting out of here. Ugh. I was about to do that myself, but willpower beats that. Okay, let's go upstairs. Hi, Una. What a surprise. Hi, Una. Hi, Una. Una is one of our neighbor's dogs. Hi, how are you? Oh. Oh, now they're playing.
Okay.
Zoom. Hi. Oh. Nina, don't do that. Hi. How are you? Mina.
Yeah, just grab her.
Time to eat, because you're starving and eating the... Okay, Lucy's been patiently waiting for us. Okay, now it's time for breakfast. We call all of the dogs meals dinner, because they can use one word for time to eat one of your meals. And every time they hear dinner, they get really excited. Mina,
Dinner.
it's time for dinner. Dinner. Lucy, dinner. Oh, She's wagging her tail.
It's actually breakfast.
Mom's getting the food.
Oh, you need the green cup.
Green cup. I saw it yesterday by the vacuum. Oh, there it is.
Green cup. It's okay.
I think the dogs might deserve a treat.
Well,
Since they did both and they don't usually go when they have the chance. Okay, time for dinner. Oh, they get even exciteder when they smell the food. Okay, go and eat that. Mina,
For
come on.
going potty because he barely goes.
Come on, eat. Mina, this is yours food too. Mina's a slow eater. Okay, and she usually trains them. Mina, come on. Mina, come on. Sit. No.
Sit.
Sit. Okay, we have to push her butt down. Mina,
Sit.
sit your butt down. Mina, you're not doing it.
Okay.
Come on, sit. Okay, Mina, up. Mina, sit. No, sit. Up. Okay, up. Good job. Yeah. Oh, felt her head
Mina
vibrate.
doesn't know up
'Kay.
anymore. She only knows jump.
Okay, Lucy, up. Good job. Good job. Are you okay, Fifi?
She just accidentally did it.
Okay. You sure?
Yeah. There's only a little itty bitty scratch.
Ouch. Maybe you should rinse that under cold water. Uh-huh. Okay. That is the end of the dog's morning routine. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.